Been neglecting the videos of the 69 Charger build. I've just been working on it too much. I don't even know where I left off, but getting really close to being able to weld things up. I got the quarters, got my door gaps, which I fought for every inch of the way on this side. This side of the car I've been hit. It's kind of obvious with what I've been going through to get this quarter to line up, to get the right measurements on it. But yeah, our front end is done for now. The quarters are hung. I've got my measurements I needed on both sides. Everything's square so far. Got the trunk floor in. The rear frame rails are tacked in right now and teak screwed, and I just ran out of text, so I went up and bought another box, and gonna be finally doing the final assembly and screw in of all this stuff, and then it'll get welded. Need to get my text in here. There's my door gap on this side. Wunderbar. So cool to open the doors in this and see all the nice new metal. Everything fits the way it should. All my gaps are nice. Yeah, I think we are around 3/16 of an inch tolerance on the car so far. Mostly everything is within 1/8. And I found it out as much as 3/8 in spots, but we got it looking good right now. Yeah, the driver's side was sweet. Really no issues. Everything went in good. You know, the wheel wells, everything's clamping up nice. I think my trunk extensions should fit nicely in there. But the passenger side where it got hit, had to cut this patch I made. It was all rotted out down there too, so I don't know. But it's lining up. Everything's where it should be. So I guess the next time we make a video, probably right before I start welding. I got the rear valance just hung for now. It's about where it needs to be, but I need to make my valance corners, and that's why I'm getting the trunk extensions in, and the wheel wells all where they need to be. Then we get this whole back all drilled. There's a lot of spot welds to drill out on here, and then take this whole back apart, just the tail light panel and valance, and pull the floor of the trunk out, and everything has to get sprayed with epoxy primer, and some welding has to be done with the trunk floor out, and then it all gets put back together, screwed together, and a ton of welding. I did my the trunk lock, trunk support is salvageable. It's just the bottom, very bottom half pert. Just that bottom lip is gone on it, so I'll make those. But on my, here we go, my drip rail, you should go right in once the vice grips in the way. No, that's pretty good right there. There we are. And I got my serial number. I welded that piece in. So just to keep that original number with the car. Yeah, hundreds of holes to be drilled. And hundreds of holes are already drilled. I think there was 175 in the trunk panel alone. But that fits nice. It's in there where it needs to be. A lot of work. That sail panel, a lot of trimming to get that to where it's at. These sides were way wide, but that's cool to have extra material to cut off. I'd rather have that than have something short. But there was a lot of trimming there. Some trimming on the quarter on this side, and the taillight panel There's going to be a little trimming there, but nothing terrible. So, for right now, I don't know why I named this thing Janice. The name has got, there's some value to that name with this car. But we'll see. I'm not sure on the color yet either. I'm really just kind of thinking it out. So anyways, enjoy those beautiful body lines. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.